you're doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to take you guys on a tour of my new car. I got rid of my F30 and now I have an F36. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. This one has all the luxury package in there, so it's super sporty and super fun to drive, and I'm excited to take you on a tour. So let's look at this new car. So you guys, this is my 440i F36. I just love the color on this car. It's called the Sunset Orange. It has like different shades as well. Sometime in the daytime it looks very bright and orange, and then at night it's like a, well, not night, but if it's a little bit dark, it's like a muted orange, but it's so pretty. And I also love the black accent of this as well. It's almost like it's just an accent. It doesn't have a purpose, and then the black rims just accent this car beautifully. I don't know who. Oh, that sounds like a generator. Oh yes, so the black rims accent this car beautifully. Sorry about the noise. I think that's a generator. And then I do have the black kidney grills on the front, and then I have the black accent down here on my bumper. Okay, and then my headlights, I do have the adaptive headlights. Now these turn with you as well, so if you're taking a corner, the lights do turn with you. And then I do have the fog lights. They also are a part of the adaptive lens set, like so whenever you're turning, the fog light adapts as well. So I forgot to show you guys that the car does have cameras on both sides of the bumper. This is to help you park as well. Since I have black rims, it helps with parking, so I don't scratch my rims. I already scratched the rims, unfortunately, but it really helps with parking. And the camera is on both sides of the bumper, which is super awesome. I have a few carbon fiber features on this car. Here I have carbon fiber here, and I also have it on the back on my trunk. It does have the carbon fiber here as well, as you can see. And this car also has the XI drive feature. So now we're gonna go on the interior of the car. I do have all black interior this time. The last time my car had the beige interior, which was awful. I kept it dirty and it wasn't the best interior. I don't like it. Here I have the door holder. You do also have like an area to put your cups if you want, or a cup. Here is a lot of features on the seat. You can you know, of course, roll it back, roll it front ways, and also there is a lumbar support feature. So if you need a little bit more support in your spine, you could go back and forth. I don't think you guys can see where the seat adjusts, but it does. And I also have in the door, I have the projecting BMW light on the ground. You can't see it because it's dark right now, but if you look, there's like a purple outline on the ground, but that is the BMW door projector on the floor. So let's get inside. So of course you do get an LCD screen. It shows you the whole car, the whole setup, the whole features on the car. Of course, the basic radio, air conditioner. I do also have heated seats. You can see I have the heated seat feature here as well, and I also have heated steering on this car. I don't need it, but I do have it. And then the AC system, it does have air vents in front and back, so your back passengers stay cool as well. So I do have the heated feature on my car. Well, on this, for the steering, this is where it is. It's located on the side. You just press this button to heat up your steering. And then of course you have the paddle shifts, you know, if you want to start racing and stuff like that. You have what is this again? This is, I forgot what you call this. Oh, this is auto cruise or cruise control. This feature, if you just going on a highway or a long drive, you could set it as well. And then this side is Bluetooth for you to talk, for you to if someone calling you on your Bluetooth, you could hit this button to pick up the phone, of course. And then this is for the voice control if you want to speak and tell the car what you want it to do, like if you want to enter your navigation and all that good stuff. And then over here, of course, is the headlights, fog lights, all that. You could turn up and down your interior here as well. And then this is your fog light feature to turn on your fog lights. And then of course, I do have the Harman Kardon speakers. These speakers are like super cool and loud. The music system in here is so nice. It's like surround sound. You'll love it. The Harman Kardon speaker system is pretty great. And then you do have your cup holders here. That's my battery. I do need to clean that out, but I put my mask there as well. And then you do have the cup holder, and then I do also have the carbon fiber detail in here along the control area. And then they did also feature it on the dash here as well. So I do like the carbon feature instead of the wood grain up here. So this car also has eco mode. You could go eco pro. You could go from eco pro to comfort to sport, and then sport plus. So here it is. You could go, oh wait, I gotta turn off my parking assist. So you could go eco pro. I hate that you can't even see the screen. Oh, let me turn it down. Here you go. I would say if that's better. Oh, it's more stable now, sorry. So now it's a little bit more stable. So you could go Eco Pro, Comfort, and then you do have Sports, and then you got Sports Plus, which you get all the dynamics. You get you could get the torque, you could get the power, and then here you could and then you could configure it if you want. Let's go back. Sports display, no, wait, you could go to sports, and then you could configure it if you want, and then you could either have both drivetrain and chassis, which where the steering gets really stiff, along with the suspension, and then you get you tap into the twin turbo of the engine, so you could either do the chassis only or just the drivetrain or both. So the sports feature is really great as well. And then here you could see the cameras in the bumper, and then this is the parking assist on the screen. This allows you to see around the vehicle so you don't run into anyone, or you know, pull the car too close to the curb so you could scratch your rims. I already scratched my rims because of that. And then of course in the sports mode, it does turn off the traction control. Traction control is to stop the car from sliding all over the place. So here you could see maximum traction with reduced dynamic stability. No traction means the back of the car will, you know, slide all over the place. So if you do want to drift, you turn off the traction control so it unstabilizes the back, and you could have fun with your car. So here you have, of course, your communication, your navigation, your connected drive. Here's your connected drive. It tells you the weather, how much it is in Fort Lauderdale. Here is my vehicle. It tells you the MPG and all that. And then you have your Bluetooth and your notifications if there is anything wrong with your car. It tells you if you need gas, if you have a missed call, if you need to service your vehicle. Everything shows up here. So this car keeps you informed when to service your vehicle. So I think that's a great feature on the car as well. And then of course up here right below the sunroof, you do have SOS. I don't think this is connected, but if you do want to connect it and ask for help, you got SOS. And of course this tells you if the airbag is off, and then this is where you control your sunroof. And then you got your lights for each side, and then this is the entire car, which is really nice as well. So I don't know if you guys could see, but I do also have the heads-up display feature as well. That's that thing that's blinking on the screen. This feature, it shows you the mileage. If you have your navigation system on, it shows you here as well. And also if you are receiving a call, everything comes up on your heads-up display, which is a nice feature as well. The heads-up display is above right here on top of the dash. It's like right there, you can't really see it, but it's in an awkward position, but you do have to be careful not to drop anything in there. So of course, to go in the back, you pull the seat back. The back is pretty spacious. It has, of course, 2 speakers on each side, and the back is all black. It's very spacious back here. Even though it's a 2-seater, it does feel like a 4-seater as well, because there's tons of space in the back as well. So the middle does have a pull down for cups, so you can put cups in there to accommodate your passengers as well, which is a nice feature. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. So you guys, that's all the features in the car. I really love this car. The luxury package is awesome. It allows me to enjoy the car even more. So if you are gonna get a BMW, do get a luxury package as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this car tour. I hope to see you guys again. Enjoy your day. Have a great weekend, day, night, whenever time you're watching this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, and like this video. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a great one. Bye.